Hey my friends, this is Daniel Aldie, and today I want to talk with you about the millionaire secret that no one shares. In fact, this secret made me a millionaire faster than anything else, and it is this. Success is about a love and hate relationship. And basically what I'm saying is that if you want to achieve anything, you have to hate the opposite of it. So for example, if you want to be healthy, you have to hate being unhealthy. If you want to start a business, then you have to hate working a job. If you want to have money, then you have to hate being broke. There is nothing that you can achieve without hating the opposite of it. And this is what I call the opposite equivalent. And basically what this means is that if you want success, you have to do the opposite of what failure represents. So for example, when I decided to become an entrepreneur, I hated working jobs. I hated when I had to ask my boss for a break. I hated when they told me what to do when I knew there was a better way to do it. I hated showing up, working as much as I can, and getting paid minimal for the efforts that I contributed. And because I hated the fact that the only way I could make money was by working the job, I learned the opposite of doing that, which was starting a business. You see, I knew that taking charge of my life by having my own time, my own money, my own energy for my own projects would be worth more than any other job can pay me. What about health? When I was overweight by 50 pounds, I hated being overweight. I hated not being able to walk up the steps without being able to catch my breath. I hated not being able to fit into my favorite clothes. So what I did was the exact opposite. I decided to get fit. I worked out, I ate right, I burned more calories than I consumed. And that's how I lost 50 pounds. And it was the same thing I did with money. I never had more than $500 in the bank at the same time. I always had overdraft fees. I never had enough money to buy the things I want. And one day I decided that I hated that position. And in order for me to become wealthy, I had to do something about it. I had to look at my account statements and see what I was actually spending my money on. I had to realize why my credit cards were maxed out. I had to come to a point of understanding in my mind that my money was waiting to be manifested. See, this is exactly what you have to do in your life. If you find that you have failure in any level, in any capacity, you have to take charge and make sure that you understand the opposite of what that failure represents. Look, if you don't like where you're at right now, then no one else will. So find 5 things that you need to improve upon within the next 30 days by writing them down and taking action so you can achieve more results. My friends, this is Daniel Aldie. If you want success, you have to do the opposite equivalent. If you hate failure, then you're gonna love success. And you're going to do everything you can in order to earn it. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit that notification button, and share this video with someone else who needs it. Again, this is Daniel Aldie, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.